Okay, I want to show you a little bit about safety shutoffs. And what you need to do, in case you have an emergency or you want to do some work in your house, pretty much have three main shutoffs. This is your gas shutoff. That shuts your gas off. If you have an emergency, you want to shut this off, you're going to have a pipe wrench. Alright? You put that on there, but you got to have the pipe wrench available when you need it. Otherwise, it's not going to be too effective. And you're going to twist the valve. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to relight my hot water tank. But you're going to twist the valve so these two holes line up. This one and this one. Okay? So you'll twist it this way, line these holes up. That'll shut off the main gas to your house in case of an emergency. Okay, this is your main breaker. If you want to do some wiring in your house or anything else, so you have a wiring problem, that's what you want to shut off, your main breaker. Hopefully I can show you here. See that right there? You want to turn this off, pull it to your left-hand side. That shuts off all the electric in your house. Also, in this house, you want this to be clear. If you can see here, it's not lighted very well. I should use a flashlight to see it. And there's stuff laying around it. That's not very safe. You want to clear that area out, and your electrical panel should be lighted to where you can see everything and be able to get to your main shutoff. Especially if you want to do some electrical work in your house, the safest thing to do is shut off the electric and shut it all off. The other thing I want to talk about is your water shutoff. You have on this one, there's two of them. There's one down at the bottom. That's before the meter. And you go up, and you have one after the meter. The one after the meter is the one you want to use to shut off if you have water coming through your walls, or I want to do some work on your pipes, or fix a washer and a spigot or anything like that. Because normally the valves underneath your sink or the commode valve, they usually don't work. If your commode's overflowing, this is where you'll come down and shut your water off. Now, if you don't have a good ball valve after the meter, you want to get one of these installed. You have to have a good ball valve. The other valves aren't very reliable, but a ball valve is. They're easy to use. They shut right off and on. And if your commode's overflowing or your water coming through the ceiling, it's an emergency, you need a good ball valve to shut your water off. And if you don't have one, get one. Okay, those were the three valves or the two valves and the main breaker are your main utilities. That pretty much shut your house down. There's a lot of shut-offs that are smaller, but if you have a true emergency, those are the three that you want to grab to shut off, create a catastrophe from happening. Thank you.